Excuse me? What was that? OSDP is too hard? We all shy away from things that seem difficult. People complain, they avoid them, or they just say, I can't do that. But once you give it a try and invest a little time to learn, you often realize that you've been missing out. That's exactly what I hear about OSDP. Installers stick with Wiegand because it feels easier. But here's the truth. OSDP isn't hard, it's just different. And a little education goes a long way. And once you have it, OSDP opens new possibilities and makes your work easier. And it makes the customer way more secure too. That's why I recommend the OSDP Bootcamp put on by the Security Industry Association. This training makes everything simple. It gives you hands-on experience. And it earns you 8 ASIS CPE hours. It's truly a win-win. Check out the highlight video over on the Mercury Minute on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe as well. And that latest video is going to talk about Bootcamp and what it's all about and what you'll learn to master OSDP. Don't get left behind. Watch, learn, and make sure you register for the next OSDP Bootcamp. That's the Mercury Minute. Stay open and stay secure, my friends. See you all next time.